What do you say about 20?
He took off on foot.
He took off on foot? They made contact in the alleyway. Hey, let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands up! I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side! Crossfire! Get the gun, he's right behind him! He's been shot, I need to get him. Hey!
Medic, give me a minute.
Hey, he's been shot, I got. Hey,
Put him down.
hey, put him down here. Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
Come back.
Hello.
We have a laser here.
Dude.
Have no wire.
Yeah, so, shots fired, so. I shot the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So, I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. And he's still alive. I did, me. And two.
Okay.
Yeah, me and two other, and the DPS. Just to let you know. Yeah. I'm good, yeah, I'm good. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, bye. Hey, he jumped the fence from over there this way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty. We need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him. Yeah, he fine. I think he went through.
Like here on the arm, and then on his.
Yeah, he went right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. All right, come here. Oh, that's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
Just,
I love
nah.
it.
Just understand me. It's okay.
I respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but don't give me a chance to be a
All
soldier.
right, that's fine. No, don't just relax.
I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know, like.
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hip. We're good.
Well,
We don't want to pack, but yeah, go ahead and put it.
Fuck it. No, like we're in the thoracic box.
Yeah, we're good. Let's put a seal.
just in case.
I know, brother.
We can't pack this. We can't.
No, we're going to pack it. I was going to cover it. If anything, that's it. I only packed the chest cavity. I mean, not the chest cavity.
Nope.
No.
Yeah. So
Good.
seal it.
Put it right in the center. Yeah, I'll wipe for that. All right, brother.
Yep. Let's go ahead and get this.
I got another one.
Breathe.
I got one more. Yeah.
Single GSW. Lower left quadrant.
Stand by, brother.
You're good. Fight through it.
Hey, take him down. Make sure he's not shot anywhere else. it went through.
Right, we're way this way, buddy.
It's all right, it's all right, it's all right, it's all right.
Like extend his foot.
Get his fucking shirt off.
Sir.
Yeah, we're all right.
Sir.
Y'all check down here. Sir.
No, not yet. Take him out and cover him.
Yep.
There's no.
Sir.
Yeah, all right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good.
Check his legs.
Yeah.
Yep. Sir.
Nothing.
What else? Any more patches?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant, it's sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. How far's the ambulance?
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. He's not gonna on the arm. Just wrap it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it. Wrap it. So yeah, just breathe normal, all right? Breathe normal, dude.
I want to be a soldier. Yeah, just use a.
All right, brother. Just wrap it. We're good.
It doesn't stretch, so if he starts to swell, just use a pressure dressing it.
Hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped? I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him run.
They're going inside right now. They're checking it
But
out.
he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side.
You have one.
You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're gonna go. The ambulance coming right now.
That's it, sir.
I know. We're gonna try to get you out there, bro.
Sir, I'm not going to be a bad person, sir, but I know.
Bro.
I know, sir.
It's all good. It's all good, brother. You have any other pains?
Sir.
You know what day today is? What day is today?
Hey, you're pulse off? I mean, with the pulse hanging out. Yeah, I got you. He's alert. He's verbal. He's
Yeah, he's alert.
exhausted.
Hey, brother, have you taken any drugs today? Are you sure? Nothing. No marijuana, no opiate, no nothing. No uppers, nothing. Okay. All right.
Drink?
No, sir.
Nothing. All right.
I go die, sir.
You're good.
I go die.
No, brother. Your pulse is really good, brother. It's strong. Your pulse is strong. You're good. Yeah, this one's good right here, brother.
98. 98.
We got like 5 minutes to wait. Do we want to?
Yeah, we can do the whole thing.
What do you say about 20K took off on foot?
He's coming towards us, he said.
Medical care continued until the arrival of the Brownsville Fire Department Emergency Medical Services personnel, who provided additional medical care and subsequently transported him to the Valley Baptist Hospital in Brownsville, Texas, where he was admitted for advanced medical care. Local law enforcement partners established hospital watch on the driver. The BPAs involved in this incident did not sustain or report any injuries.